Now for our feature story of the day. Donald Trump taps crypto advocate Howard Lutnick as the Commerce Secretary. We couldn't get any more bullish for the United States of America. So I'm going to break this story down and tell you why this is so important and bullish for Bitcoin. But first, I want to read you some other tweets. Adam Back tweeted yesterday, Bitcoin OG, if the U.S. strategic Bitcoin reserve happens, prepare for seven-figure Bitcoin this cycle. The market is skeptical on meaningful follow through for now. So that is not all priced in, not at all. Agreed. And I think there's a very strong possibility of the United States making a Bitcoin strategic reserve because we got Trump in office and the entire Trump team is pro-Bitcoin and Bitcoiners, including Howard Lutnick, who they say controls 100 billion plus worth of Tether USDT. Samson Mow announced that the other day. I mean, he's worth hundreds of millions worth of Bitcoin himself, so why wouldn't someone worth hundreds of millions of Bitcoin continue to pump and make favorable rules for Bitcoin adoption? So game on. And Robert Kiyosaki had a very powerful tweet here. $13 million Bitcoin, according to Michael Saylor. I believe he is right. He is one smart boy. Bitcoin today is 95,000. If Saylor is on target, which I think he is, that means for $9,000 today, you can buy 0.01 Bitcoin today, and you are a millionaire tomorrow. Sure beats going $50,000 in debt for a student loan, studying for years just to earn a flimsy MBA. Get smarter. Buy Bitcoin today. I am. Sage advice coming from the Rich Dad. And yeah, yo, and you already know. So let's continue to flow and pump those biddies up. But let me dive a little deeper into the importance of Lutnick being the Commerce Secretary for the United States of America. So here we have it. U.S. President-elect Trump has chosen Cantor Fitzgerald CEO Howard Lutnick to be his Secretary of Commerce. Game on. This is according to reports as of yesterday, the 19th. Lutnick has a long record as a crypto proponent. The head of the Commerce Department is charged with advancing U.S. business both domestically and abroad. The Secretary is a member of the cabinet, the president's closest advisors. Lutnick is currently the co-lead of the Trump transition team and was seen as the most likely candidate for the position. Now, Lutnick has attracted attention of the crypto world for his ties to the stablecoin issuer Tether and statements he made about Bitcoin. Cantor Fitzgerald, the Wall Street financial services firm that Lutnick has headed since 1996, has managed Tether's U.S. Treasury portfolio since 2021 and its bond portfolio since 2023. Tether has a $129 billion market cap and has been criticized for its accounting practices, yada, yada, yada. Lutnick publicly expressed confidence in Tether's financial health several times. He is also a big fan of the biddy. Although his perspective may be unique, spot Bitcoin ETFs are a way for Americans to buy Bitcoin, he said back in January, adding that Bitcoin isn't an American thing. Well, Lutnick seemed more enthusiastic when he appeared at the Bitcoin 2024 conference back in July. Cantor Fitzgerald is here to announce we're launching a Bitcoin financing business, and we are going to launch with $2 billion of lending. The details of the business are yet to be disclosed. Trump also appeared at the conference alongside Cynthia Lummis, etc. So you can see the big news here. Pro-Bitcoin Cantor CEO Howard Lutnick named the U.S. Secretary of Commerce. He has hundreds of millions personally invested into the biddy and again controls over 100 billion worth of Tether USDT. In September, Lutnick told Fox News that Bitcoin is a commodity. He also criticized U.S. regulators, sharing the following. Listen up, Gary. Let's face it, they don't even know how to do crypto and digital at all. And they have no idea. They still don't understand how important it is to get it right. Lutnick will replace the former Rhode Island governor, Gina Raimondo. Hit the road, Gina, and leading the Department of Commerce. So again, couldn't be more bullish with this news as the entire U.S. government seems to be pro-Bitcoin this time around. Can you send it? New all-time highs, income in it. Tether just printed another 1 billion. Good Lord. Someone just deposited 1 billion into Tether. Appreciate the insights. Not really if you see how small the fire actually was and the damage. I'm not sure what fire we're referring to. But anyways, family, welcome to the Q&A segment of the live stream. We're going to convert today's stream, the bod, now that we're done with the news. Let's turn it into a pump watch.